iPhone voicemail not working? Here are a few fixes. Refresh your Wi-Fi and cellular connection. Open Control Center on your iPhone. Tap the airplane mode icon. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds. Turn airplane mode back off. Wait for the Wi-Fi or cellular signal to reconnect. Try opening voicemail again. Check the correct voicemail section. Open the phone app. Tap the voicemail tab at the bottom of the screen. If available, tap the menu to view all your voicemail messages. Check whether your voicemail messages are displayed. If you're prompted to set up voicemail, tap Set Up Now, or record a custom greeting, or keep the default greeting if you prefer. Turn live voicemail off and on. Open the Settings app. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Apps. Now, select the phone app. Turn live voicemail off. Wait a few seconds. Turn it back on. Test voicemail again. Check your blocked contacts. Go to the settings. Scroll down and click on Apps. Here, select Phone app. Tap Blocked Contacts. Review the blocked list. Remove anyone who should be able to call you. Ask them to leave another voicemail. Update carrier settings. Go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Select About. Wait about 15 seconds. Install a carrier settings update if it appears. Update your iPhone. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Select Software Update. Check for available updates. Download and install the latest version. Restart your iPhone. Open the Control Center from the top right. Press and hold the power button in the top right corner. Drag the slide to power off slider to turn off your iPhone. Wait about 30 seconds. Turn your iPhone back on. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Choose Reset network settings. Enter your passcode if asked. Wait for the iPhone to restart. Once it's back on, test your voicemail again to see if the issue has been resolved. If not, contact your mobile carrier's support team. Those are the best ways to fix an iPhone voicemail that isn't working.